Welcome to Sounds of Phonics. I'm Miss Shirley. Today we're going to do Book 3, New Friends, so many words, so many trains. Are you ready? We're going to blend. We're going to start with the first sound and go to the last sound. Gullah add, glad, gullah add, glad. I'm glad you came. I'm so glad you came. I was waiting for you. Sana ippa snip, sana ippa snip, snip, snip goes the scissor. And the hairdresser uses a scissor. Tura appa trap, tura appa trap. That little mouse is trapped in a trap. He went to get the cheese and then he got trapped and we caught him. Tawa-iga twig, tawa-iga twig. Now this is a tree. The tree has branches which are big. Then you have sticks and the twigs are really small, very, very little. Tawa-iga twig, sala-aga slug, sala-aga slug. A slug is like a snail, but he doesn't have a shell. He's black and he's very slow, a slow slug. For a ogre frog, for a ogre frog, one little speckled frog sitting on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. He jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there was no more speckled frog. Speckled means it's like little specks on the frog. Dura-ag, drag, dura-ag, drag. He's dragging his bag. He's going to drag it all along because it's got wheels. Tura-i-m, trim, tura-i-m, trim. I'm going to trim my hair just a little bit. Trim, trim, not cut it off. Trim, tura-tra. Sowa-swa, sowa-swa. So-am, swam, so-am, swam. He swam in the ocean. Curler-club, curler-ab, club. I'm going to the club to play tennis, to swim. Curler-ab, club. Towa-twa, towa-eaten, twin, towa-eaten, twin. They're twins. They look alike. There are two of them and they look alike, twins. Snug, snug, snug. As snug as a bug in a rug. That means he's very comfortable and happy. Snug. Pulla, plur, ump, pulla, plump. He's a nice plump pudding like that. Plump. Plum, plum. A plum is a fruit, a purple fruit. Crop, crop, and that's crop. We're going to grow wheat, maize, barley, corn. Those are called crops. Food, basically food. Purra, eaten to int. Purra, eaten to print. I'm going to paint my hand and then I'm going to make a hand print. So-am, swum, so-am, swum in the ocean. He has swum in the sea. Sala-ap, slap. Ah, she gave me a big slap. That's a slap. Sala-ap, slap. Ouch, that hurt. Tura-ip, trip. I trip and fall. Tura-ip, trip. Perla-otter, plot, perla-otter, plot, a big plot of land, a big piece of land. Burra-an, bran, burra-an, bran. Now this part is the bran, okay, the top part, the crust, and the bran is like a little hard. Asa-ta, ust, ma-asa-ta, must. I must do my work. Essa to est, Nest, nest. There's a bird's nest on the tree with little birdies in it. Ond, 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 ond. Pond, 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 pond. The ducks in the pond quack, 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 quack. The ducks in the pond quack, 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 all day long. Eaten the ind, eaten the ind. Were eaten the wind, were eaten the wind. I see the clouds moving, whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the kites flying, whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the trees bending, whoa, whoa, whoa. The wind is blowing strong. WH says, whoa. Elp, elp, her elp, help, her elp, help. Help me, please. I can't swim. It's true, I can't swim. Kiste, ext, kiste, ext. Kiste, next. See you next time. Bye. Not yet. Ent, 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 ent. Were ent, went. I went home. Olf, 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 olf. Go olf, golf. He's playing golf with her and the golf course. Olf, golf. Isp, 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 isp. Kara isp, crisp. Kara isp, crisp. I like to eat, eat, eat crispy French fries or crispy chips or crispy donuts. Gura and grand. Wow, she's wearing a grand dress and going to the party. Gura and grand. Ump, 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 ump. Pula ump, plump. Plump means little fat. It's a plump chicken. Pula ump, plump. Now we're going to read from the first to the last. Are you ready? Glad, glad. Snip, snip. Trap, trap. Twig, twig. Slug, slug. Frog, frog. Drag, drag. Trim, trim. Swam, swam. Club, club. Twin, twin. Snug, snug. Plum, plum. Crop, crop. Print, print. Swum, swum. Slap, slap. Trip, trip. Plot, plot. Bran, bran. Must, must. Nest, nest. Pond, pond. Wind, wind. Help, help. Next, next. Went, went. Golf, golf. Crisp, crisp. Grand, grand. Plump, plump. Thank you for watching. I hope you can read now. Bye. See you next time.